In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your document using Microsoft Word. Whether you're putting together a professional report or creating a visually appealing handout, adding a well-considered border can really make your document stand out. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the document that you're working on in Microsoft Word. It's best to have your content pretty much finalized so you can focus on perfecting the visual components. Once your document is open, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see a variety of tabs. The one we're interested in is the Design tab. This tab is part of the ribbon, which is a toolbar that runs across the top and is packed with useful features for customizing your document's layout and appearance. After clicking on the Design tab, your attention should turn to the Page Background group. This is typically located on the right-hand side of the ribbon. Within this group, you'll find an option labeled Page Borders. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking Page Borders, a dialog box will pop up, titled Borders and Shading. This is where you can truly personalize your document's borders according to your needs. What you'll want to do next is select the Page Border tab within this dialog box. It's here you'll see a range of options to explore various border styles. Under the section labeled Setting, you'll see choices like Box, Shadow, and 3D. Each of these options brings its own unique flair. For instance, a box border provides a simple outline, while a shadow adds a touch of depth, and 3D gives you a three-dimensional effect. If you're in the mood for something a bit more artistic, you'll also find an Art option, which is perfect for adding decorative and creative borders. Once you've settled on the kind of border you want, it's time to customize it further. Look for options to choose the style, color, and width of your border. This is your opportunity to reflect the tone and purpose of your document. For a more formal document, you might go with simple black lines. For something more whimsical, perhaps a splash of color or a creative artistic style might be appropriate. There's another important detail to note in this box under Apply To. Here, you can decide whether you want your border to encompass the entire document, or if you prefer it to only apply to specific sections or pages. This feature can be particularly useful for dividing different chapters or sections within multi-page documents. Finally, when you're satisfied with your selections, press OK to apply your customized border. You'll notice your design choices take effect immediately as the border wraps around the page or pages you selected. And there you have it. A beautifully bordered document that's sure to catch the eye and enhance readability. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope that you found this tutorial both informative and helpful. Happy document editing!